Hey guys, we're back.
We're training our cat, Marmar.
Yeah.
So what the first thing we're doing, we already
No. I'm so sorry.
already got her kind of warned out. I don't know if we got her warned out. But she's
her
just
head.
she's just having
No.
she's just having her little break.
Your people.
She's just having her little break right now because she's done a lot of running with me. While I was training her, while I was training
she
her,
was out in the hallway. We're trying to get her to be a production cat.
and also
Yeah.
to roll over, kind of.
Boom, boom, ba-dum, ba-dum. This is training. This is her awesome training stick.
Yeah, that's our awesome training stick. Just get your cat to not. This is her attacking skills.
Did you see? You're like, sure, why not do video on her getting trained?
Oh, does that feel good, Mama? She's trying to bite it. Does that feel good, Mama?
Did you just hear Kiki? She went.
This is her defense skills.
Yes. As you can see, he has very sharp claws. Here, watch. Wait. As you saw, she has very good senses of smell. She can also hear from a mile away.
Does that feel good, Mama?
Ooh, dang.
She defense.
Wait, hold on. Let me see that. I'm going to put it on the end of it. You take it off.
Shit. Okay, we're off a break.
Okay. Well, that was only our video for today. Bye.